Fun with fractions. Divide to conquer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deeper into the exciting world of numbers, specifically fractions. Our focus for this session will be dividing fractions. It might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, making it as easy as pie. Before we jump into dividing fractions, let's do a quick recap of what a fraction is. Remember, a fraction is a way of representing parts of a whole. It consists of a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. The numerator tells us how many parts we have, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Just as in addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division is another basic arithmetic operation we use in everyday life. When we divide, we're essentially splitting a whole into equal parts. In terms of fractions, dividing fractions means determining how many of one fraction fits into another. Now, let's dive into the heart of today's topic, dividing fractions. To divide fractions, we use a method called keep, change, flip, or KCF for short. Here's what you do. 1. Keep the first fraction the same. 2. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. 3. Flip the second fraction, which is also known as finding the reciprocal. Once you've done this, you just multiply the fractions as you normally would. The best way to learn is by doing. Let's try an example. How do we divide 2/3 by 1/2? Using our KCF method. 1. We keep the first fraction as is, 2/3. 2. We change the division sign to multiplication. 3. We flip the second fraction to get 2/1. So, our equation now reads 2/3 * 2/1. And when we multiply these, we get 4/3, which can also be written as 1 1/3. And there you have it. You've just divided fractions. I hope this video has shed some light on this subject, making it a little less daunting. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice.